Okay, so I'm going to help you practice your half notes in case you forgot how to do it. Remember, half notes are worth 2 beats. They are longer than the quarter notes, which are only worth 1 beat. So a good way to practice half notes is to use our rosin, and we can also rosin our bow while we do it. So remember, what I want you to do is take your violin hand and hold your rosin there, right? This hand is not going to move, it's going to stay still. You're going to hold your rosin on your left hand and stay still. You're going to take your bow and you're going to put it on your rosin, and we are going to practice half notes. Make sure you have a good bow hold, curved pinky, bent thumb. And so half notes are worth 2 beats. So we're going to say 2, 2, right? And for that, we're going to use slower bows and longer bows. So let's practice some half notes. Ready? 2, 2, slow bow, half note, half notes, right? That will help you rosin your bow and practice your slow bows. Okay, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to walk you through practicing, for example, lesson number 9. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to say the names of the notes, and remember this is a half rest that is also worth 2 rests. So let's say A, rest, rest. A, rest, rest. D, rest, rest. D, rest, rest. Okay? And just like with the other lesson, we are also going to put our bow on our shoulder, right? And practice saying the notes and doing slow bows. Now, you also can practice your string changes. So remember, when we play A, our arm has to be a little bit lower, and when we play D, our arm has to be a little bit higher. Use the rests to rock your bow from one string to the other. So while you're looking at your music, right, make sure you have your music in front of you. We are going to say the lesson, and we're going to run our bow on our shoulder. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, ready, and A, rest, rest. A, rest, rock the bow. D, rest, rest. D, rest, rest. If you feel confident with that, now you're ready to play the lesson. Ready? Grab your violin, get in rest position. We're going to start with the A string. Ready? So land quietly on the A string. Make sure you have a good bow hold. And remember, we want to start going down towards the floor. Don't go towards the sky, go towards the floor. Ready? So land your bow on the A string. Put your hand on the shoulder of your violin. And while you're reading your music, let's play. A, rest, rest. A, rest, rest. Rock your bow. D, rest, rest. And then D, rest, rest. So, 2 things that you have to keep in mind if your violin is not sounding good is make sure you're using a lot of bow, right? And make sure that your bow is going straight, parallel to the bridge, like that. If your bow is going like this, it's not going to make a good sound. And if you're moving your arm like this, it's going to make your bow go very crooked. You have to keep this part of your arm still, and all you want to move is this part of your bow, of your arm, up and down. All right? Don't get discouraged, just keep practicing. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know.